Good day. I'm doing an oil change on my 2008 Hayabusa. To do that, the right-hand side fairing has to be taken off. There are lots of fasteners to undo here and pins to remove. Let's see where to start first. Things up here, there's one here, that's two. There's two on the bottom here, underside of the fairing. Let's see, here. One there, one there. There's two on this side to remove. Look like that. These two pins. This thicker one is on the bottom. It comes out of here. Come out of here. And this thinner one, it's from up here. Pull it out from here. So you just push the center and pull it out. This one, you have to pry the edge up with a blade screwdriver, then pull it out. What else? There'd be a screw. There'd be a screw here. Another screw down here. And this unsnaps. This piece here unsnaps from this piece here. You'll see it when it's together. You sort of pull it apart gently. It comes undone. What's tricky here is there's four plastic pins to remove. So here's grommet number 1, down by the crankcase. And there's grommet number 2 here. Some better light. Okay, start again here. Grommet number 1 here. Grommet number 2. Grommet number 3 on top. And grommet number 4 is here. There's 4 pins, of course, to fit in from the fairing. Here's 1, 2, 3, one on top, and 4. I think last time I took it apart, I put a bit of grease on these pins, and it was easier to remove. It seemed to have worked. It wasn't that bad. Tricky part is pulling it out from here. Here. Just be careful. The assembly is a bit bendy, and that works in your favor. So this filter, I don't think I can remove that and pull it out through my head pipes here. These are non-stock head pipes. I don't know, I can't remember if the stock pipes allows that filter to be pulled out between them. I need to take off this oil line. These two hex screws have to come out and pull the filter out back through this way to replace it. I think there's 18,000 kilometer interval on this filter removal, filter replacement, according to the service manual. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have fun putting this back together, but just do it methodically, go slow, don't force it, and should be fine. And it's done for quite a while until next time. Thanks for watching.